What is going on? My name is Joe. We are taking a closer look at the authentic, original coastal Craftsman boat Chukka from Sperry topsider. That's a lot to say. Now this boot comes in a couple different colors and materials. What I have here is this really rich leather and wax canvas. Creates a really nice look. Get those metal eyelets there, leather laces, smooth lining too. You got some extra cushioning in the heel. Check out the wave siping on the outsole. That's for those wet and dry surfaces. It may be a lot to say, but just look at it. It looks good. It's worth saying and it's worth wearing. Give this one a try from Sperry topsider.